nostalgic, small-time Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the winking well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Sharing. That's what this whole place is loosely based on. Remember that one? No? Right. A little further down, you can see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable new live show. Stop looking so wild. Anyway, behind this Hollywood fantasy of a gold rush frontier town lies a sinister secret. It is smack dab in the center of the UFO hotspot. Welcome to the world of
That's going to be a note from me. Let's get out before anything bad happens to us. Now, this location was production designed by Ruth DeYoung, also the production designer on Us, another one of Jordan Peele's films, and Oppenheimer. And excuse me, folks, there's some issues going on with our tram. I've been told I have to pass along a message. I'm so sorry. This has never happened before. Hello?
Look, this might be more serious than I thought.
Wait, what do you mean? What's going on here?
This is a secure
Hello?
line. Who are you?
I'll tell you who I am, boy. I'm the reason bad guys use a nightlight. I'm the reason the boogeyman begs his mama to look under his bed. And I'm the reason you just lost control of this whole operation. My name is Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the man in charge.
The hell you are.
Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And two, an international crime scene coming in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Charles is ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that,
folks, I'm getting another secret message. The safety rules. Okay, so please remain seated, keeping your arms and legs inside the tram. Human Hobbs there. Some might say he's the rock to my pebble. So I trust him when he says there's a witness on our border tram. So we're gonna lay low here in Sullivan's garage. I have some friends who can help us out. One of them is Roman Pierce. Hey, Roman.
How you doing? You good? My name is Roman Pierce. Pleased to meet you. Buddy Hobbs asked us to stash you in Shaw for a while. We brought you in our secret spot. We're having a few friends over. It's a little messy, but it's all good. The more the merrier. Especially you right there in that third row. Front center. So look, see over there? It's Hobbs' urban assault vehicle. Best truck the U.S. government can buy. But that work of art back over there was made by my man Tej. Think of it as like a Mona Lisa on wheels. Extra quick.
So did you break it down to them?
what's that?
You had one job to do, one. Alright, look guys, we're gonna keep Shaw from finding you, but to keep you safe, we need your help. We don't want the syndicate tracking us here, so put away your cameras and turn off your cell phones. One flash or one ringtone could give us away.
I need y'all to take this real serious.
Okay, pull into the next bay and we'll meet you in there.
So like I was saying, the third row, right?
Roman, our lives are in danger. Whoa, gosh. Okay, well, as Roman and Letty were saying, in the next bay, there's going to be a bit of a party happening. They had some friends over. Don't worry about it. All we have to do is just hide our weakness. So blend in, put those hands in the air like you just don't care, and party!
shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Hey, just back up a little bit. Got it. Slight bit.
First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
That ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, my whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back. It was on vibrate.
Sure, trace us. House can't hold it forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Try to move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.